Can a machine learn something from the given data and also reply us? Also can predict about the upcoming values? Of course, yes. Machine can also learn from the given data. What we have to do to enable the machine learning, we have to create an environment where a machine can take two groups of linear data, and after taking the data, machine is now able to analyze the given data and also can understand the relationship between respective data, and after that it can predict the upcoming values. How we create the environment? First of all, the modules have to be imported. Here we have imported linear regression. With the help of linear regression, which is a part of a scalar linear model, machine can become able to analyze the given data and also can establish a relationship between them, and on the basis of the relationship between data, a machine can predict the future value. Okay, the sample data is given. Two linear data should be given, x and y. One group of linear data is given in the x variable and the other group of linear data is given in the y variable. The data given in the x variable is independent, but a method is used here which is a reshape. Actually, what it does, actually reshape converts this single dimensional array to double dimensional array. -1 indicates that the calculation of rows will be done by machine, not by us. And the second linear value has been given in the y variable, which is a target data. A variable model is given. Actually, model is a object of linear regression, so that it can analyze the data and understand the relationship between the data by using the model.fit method. By using model.fit method, machine is able to analyze the linear data and understand the relationship between them, and now it is able to predict the next value. In the last line, we are asking for the target value for the value 6. The machine predicting the target value 600. If we ask for the target value for 8, it is displaying 800. What the conclusion comes? Conclusion is that machine is now able to analyze the given two serial data, and by using model fit method, it's able to understand the relationship between the given data, and on the basis of relationship it is predicting, it is able to forecast, and it looks like machine is learning something from the data and replying us very comfortably. This is the machine learning. Okay, thank you. And lastly, I have a kind request to please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. All friends are requested to please subscribe the channel. Thank you.